Better biking with survival skills.
Our choice of gear changes the ratio between the engine revs and the revolutions of the back wheel, and that changes how the engine delivers acceleration and engine braking. High gears give mild acceleration even when we twist the throttle wide, and mild deceleration through engine braking when we close it again, whilst low gears offer fiercer acceleration and harder engine braking. Of course, mild acceleration on a 1000cc sports bike is very different to what happens when we open the throttle on a 125, and single cylinder bikes usually offer more engine braking than a 4-cylinder. And motorcycles are very different from cars, where new drivers are taught to get up to top gear as soon as possible. On two wheels, it's much more important to find out how our machine responds in different ratios. Here are a pair of simple exercises to try. First, find a straight road that's empty of traffic, then ride it at the same speed in different gears. Listen to the engine and watch the rev counter. Which gear works best at the speed we're riding? Next, with an eye on the mirror, smoothly open and close the throttle to see how the bike responds. Does a different gear work better when we need to speed up and slow down? Practical exercises like this are by far and away the best way to learn about how our bike